Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make elderberry gummies. To begin, you will need just a few simple ingredients. First, gather 1 cup of elderberry syrup, preferably unsweetened, to control the final sweetness. Next, have 1/2 cup of water ready, along with 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. Using a good quality gelatin is key for achieving that perfect gummy texture. These are the foundational components for your delicious, homemade treats. Now, let's get cooking. Start by gently heating 1/2 cup of water in a small saucepan over low heat. It's important not to boil it. Once warm, slowly whisk in the 4 tablespoons of gelatin. Continue whisking until the gelatin is completely dissolved and there are no lumps, creating a smooth mixture. Then, remove the pan from the heat and stir in your 1 cup of elderberry syrup until everything is well combined. This ensures even flavor distribution. With your mixture ready, it's time to shape your gummies. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your chosen silicone molds. You can use fun shapes or simple squares. Once all the molds are filled, gently transfer them to the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 2 hours or until they are completely firm. This chilling time is crucial for the gummies to set properly and achieve their desired consistency. Patience is key here. Congratulations, your elderberry gummies are ready. Once firm, carefully pop them out of their molds. To keep them fresh, store your delicious gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will maintain their quality for up to 2 weeks. For a delightful and convenient way to support your wellness, enjoy 1 to 2 gummies daily. These homemade treats are a wonderful addition to your routine, offering both flavor and benefits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.